We can start with the prayer. O Lord, Almighty, bless all those who are assembled here to promote the welfare of our community. O Lord, Jesus Christ, be with us to defend us, be with us to preserve us, be before us to guide us, be behind us to guard us, be above us to bless us. He who with the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit lives and reigns forever and ever. Amen.
Amen. So, this is an extended meeting of 16th April. On that day, we couldn't finish our discussions, especially regarding the West Coast get together, and in the new pandemic regulations, according to the latest information, we can have the meeting with the 75 members. So I think we have to go ahead with our scholarship distribution. For that, arrangements have already been made. Only thing, we didn't start inviting the dignitaries. I thought we will invite the dignitaries only after today's meeting. If there is any other restrictions, that also we have to take into consideration. Otherwise, we will go ahead with the preparations of the scholarship distribution. The secretary and treasurer have already calculated the amount required for the scholarship distribution, and they are making preparations to withdraw the money and put it into covers, verify with the list. All those who are available can make yourself free. May please cooperate with them in arrangement of the covers. I think the call letters are whether a model of the call letter is given to you by Linus.
No, still he has not given, because I think he is somewhere in the hospital, hospitalized.
I heard.
Okay,
that
I
you
will
told
collect
me.
it. No, nothing to worry. Monday,
Then
I will
we'll
collect.
take the model and we'll start preparing the call letters. Otherwise, with today there is no further restrictions. We'll see in the next week if there are any further restrictions imposed. Otherwise, we'll go ahead with our scholarship distribution. We cannot delay it further. With whatever limitations, we have to go ahead with the scholarship distribution. That's a, if you have got any opinion, you can tell it. So, according to the present restrictions, it is 75 people, isn't it?
Up to 75, we can assemble.
75. We can assemble.
75 at one time.
So we can, the scholarship function will be there. Will have to be conducted with 75 people maximum. And we will invite only medical as well as engineering students, plus the rank holders to be felicitated. That will be below 75. Then the rest of the scholarships or can be collected from the office after 5 o'clock. So we can give the timing accordingly in the call letter itself. Is that clear?
Yes.
Do you suggest any changes?
That's enough, sir.
That's enough. If you have got any opinion, people have got views, you can express it.
Unmute and speak.
Charles Uncle,
Charles Uncle, the date confirmed is 15th May, right?
Right.
Yes.
Okay. And what I suggest is that the people or the rank holders and the medical and engineering students will be called on to the stage, right?
Right.
Or the rest of the people, like every year, like we can put 3-4 counters scattered, and they can come and collect it from the counter.
Only after 5 o'clock.
No, till that time, whether they will wait.
They can scatter in the ground, no, school garage or church compound, because only 75 people are limited indoors.
They-
150 people outdoors.
Only after 5 o'clock, the general distribution will begin. That means after the dignitaries left. The
Okay.
dignitaries will, the scholarship function will go on. They will distribute some scholarships. The other scholarship can be collected after 5 o'clock. So we will give the call letter accordingly with the timing after 5 o'clock.
അങ്ങനെ പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഹാളിൽ ചിലപ്പോൾ ആൾക്കാരുണ്ടാവില്ല. When the when the justice comes, there won't be any people at this thing also, the hall.
We will ask them to be seated by 3 o'clock, and we are going to put only 75 chairs.
Okay.
There will be police to watch, so we have to see that.
Okay.
We are only allocating 75 chairs inside the hall. The rest of the people can, that after 75 they can already be scattered in the church ground, right?
No, even that we are not entertaining. They will be asked to come there only at 5 o'clock.
Okay.
Otherwise, in the coming days, we cannot say. So we have to observe the norms.
This total engineering medical candidates, how many are there totally?
165. Totally 165 members.
Around 170. Out of that, we are going to call only the 65 or 70 people.
How you are going? How are we planning, Uncle, to distribute the balance payment to the?
All of them may not come, but even then, after 5 o'clock, when the meeting got over, we will open up counters in front of the hall. So one by one, they can come and collect without making any rush.
So we have to mention it specifically in the call letters.
Specifically in the call letter, they need to come only after 5.
So
Maybe between 5 and 7, or between 5 and 6:30, like that.
Okay.
altogether, we are expecting around 160 students, right, on the same day.
165 scholarships plus bank holidays.
So altogether, 250 to around 200 to 200 people will be there, right?
No.
175 or maximum 180.
170.
Suppose the students come with their parents or any relatives like that.
Still, it will not be more than 180.
Okay.
Because everybody know the present situation.
But what about this containment zone, and Uncle? This some places are already closed now. Suppose if they say that our place is already closed and we are not able to come like that. So is there another alternate arrangement what we are planning? Because now Charayanallu,
They can come and collect at later stage.
Yeah.
At a later date, they can come.
Later.
Okay.
Or if the presidents or the secretaries of the association can, like we can hand over to them, provided they will reach to them. Barring a few presidents, most of the presidents, I think we can hand over to them. They are also responsible.
No. We already decided last week that we are not going to hand over it. The candidate has to come. Candidate or their authorized parents with the call letter.
Okay.
That we have decided earlier.
Okay.
Again, any further clarification required, details, those who want, they can. Otherwise, we'll go to the next
Uncle,
item.
what is the total amount uncle we are distributing this time?
Nearly 4 lakhs. Because this time we didn't increase the amount. But we are giving the last time's scholarship amount.
Last time we didn't give them anything. No? Last time nothing happened. No?
No,
Last-
2020 January we have given. 2020 January we have
2020.
given.
Okay.
If no further points to be clarified, then we'll go to the next item.
You can inform the guests also or to the executive committee.
The executive committee have to be there.
No, you can inform the guest which we are whom we have
Yes.
decided to call.
That concern we want. That we'll inform the dignitaries. We'll inform the
No,
dignitaries now.
Justice Gobinath has already informed that he will be available on 15th of
Okay.
May. Yeah, he has
Yes.
agreed.
Sorry to interrupt. Berongal Savio is trying to join and he's facing some issues.
What is the problem? with you?
We'll invite now.
It's not connecting. I think under the host, no, you can allow him. Is there any queue?
No, there is no queue. Whether I have to send again the link?
Link was working for some other.
Please do.
Okay, once again, I will send him the link. Okay, carry on, meeting, carry on.
So we will proceed to the next item. Secretary,
Yes,
Vero,
yes, we can proceed.
next is our West Cochin get together. I would request our Mr. Johnson Dikoto, whether he has got any ideas to conduct it.
1 second, Aldrin, I have sent the link.
Johnson,
Ideas means see. Listen, ideas. See what the government says now. I don't know exactly what the government says. Here, all everywhere. Here, this place, Nazareth, here, and Mundambeli, Thumbadi, all these places are closed now. I don't know what is happening. So whether we can conduct this program, that West Cochin programs.
we are not going to
particular time.
conduct it now. We can only conduct a program only after 1 month. And
Yeah, that means
we are
that
not
means,
going to
yeah.
decide specifically. So,
Yeah, then we can see it.
But we have to start with,
Yeah, sure. That we have to
Start
start the
the-
complete things here.
it
Yeah.
may take more than 1 month, or sometimes 2 months. It is not so easy. You have to arrange a lot of things.
Yep.
when the situation improves,
Yeah, when the situation
we can
improves, there is no
conduct the
problem. Yeah.
program only when the situation improves.
Yeah.
So
There's no problem for me.
I think Vero,
Yes. Whatever help he needed,
Vero,
he
can you
can
hear
contact.
me?
Sure.
Yeah.
Last time, what was the rate of the dinner? What was the rate of the dinner last time?
I think it was 800 per couple, 2 people, and 500
Yeah.
per sack single. I
Single.
think, yeah.
See, listen, see, it's 1,000 rupees or 500 rupees each, a couple for 1,000 rupees or couple for 18 rupees. Doesn't matter.
Oh.
The problem, people have to agree with that. First, let's see. If people are agreeing with that one, there's no problem.
No,
Or
we have to
sometimes they
say-
say no. Was it?
First, we have to fix a reasonable rate.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. If last time they already fixed it for 800
We have
rupees for the couple,
To fix
there
a
is no problem.
reasonable
People
rate.
accept it. And 500 for the single,
Ah.
they accept it. So this time, if you wanted to go further a little bit more and see whether the couple, the people accepted this one, there is no problem for me.
That we
Can
can
make it-
decide slowly.
Yep.
We have to start with other work. That ground level work, a lot of work is there. You just start. You can call out all the EC members. We are ready
Yeah.
to help you. There are so many other publicities to be given.
Sure, sure.
That I will start it. You don't worry about all that aspect. But you must begin it. You have to coordinate it.
Yeah, sure. The thing actually, see, the present condition, we cannot even go here and there. Even my
Yeah, you
place, even in my place, the bloody cop is there, and every place. Today in the morning, I tried to
Well,
go
you
to
can
just
go now.
here.
You can go now.
The cop is giving me trouble so much.
At least for next 15 days, you have to be at home.
Yep.
You can
Okay.
start anything only after 15 days.
Uncle, I think this is the time that we plan, but now,
Yeah, we can, we can plan the complete thing and keep it.
yeah, if
Yes.
you go and
In
say that
advance,
we're
yeah.
planning to do
Johnson
something
uncle, what I
after-
suggest is that you can have your committee online. You can
Yeah.
have a, because since you are the general convener, you can have a co-convener like Monica auntie or something, because from
Yeah.
that area, and you can have your committee.
Committee first.
Yeah, you can form a committee and you can be prepared. Then slowly we can, whatever we can do it from indoor,
We
we
will
can do
join.
it.
Yeah.
What about other dignitaries of the day?
Scholarship.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Scholarship distribution. Or for get together. Vero?
Not
No, no, no,
scholarship,
Hello.
For the
scholarship.
scholarship day. That is MB and MLA to be invited.
MLA.
That we can
then,
decide only after.
Somebody, one gentleman from KLCA, KRLCC, any one of them. Then Sister Dr. Vinita, Valentina De Cruz, President in Chief, Mr. Dalvin De Cunha. Then these are mostly the members. I mean, these are the members we have.
To be invited.
Yeah.
If you don't have any other to discuss, Charles uncle, I have a suggestion. Hello?
Yes,
Please
carry
tell.
on.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah, because there is an International Federation of Anglo-Indian Associations. It's an international body. I think most of the associations like All India, the South Indian South Indian associations, the federations, and the Eton, what is it? Societies, Calcutta Service Society. Most of the societies and Anglo Association of New Zealand, Anglo Association of South London, they are all the members. So I think why can't the society also become a member in the International Federation? Being Charles Uncle is the vice president of that. And I feel that if you become a member, we'll also be able to generate some endowment from overseas. That is my suggestion. If everyone is accepted for that, I think we can also be a member in the International Federation of Anglo-Indian Associations. It's headquartered in Perth.
That's a good idea. Harry's suggestion
It's open for
is a
discussion.
good idea.
Thank you.
Then I'll proceed with that. Hello.
Secretary or treasurer and other members, do you have to chip in on that?
That you can decide, Hari. No problem.
Not me, not me. Like
Okay.
because after that, in the general body meeting, we don't want to have anything that we have only a few people have taken a decision and
Discuss,
that.
yeah.
Let
No,
the
no.
quorum. Let the quorum, because since we have a quorum, let everybody chip in their views and we'll ask our president to like proceed with that.
Okay, we can proceed, in my opinion.
It's not a big thing.
Oh.
That I'll proceed with that. And I'll keep in touch with secretary and see what can be done. Pero you have made it. You have made the inquiries clear about that deposit, treasury deposit.
That we can make, no problem. It is definitely we will be getting 1.75 extra interest rate if we are depositing something in treasury. That is the only alternative. We cannot go to other private banks. The average rate is 5.1, 5.25 or 5.15. This is the rate of many banks. So if we are going to treasury deposits, we will get 7 point, provided we have to put it in 2 years minimum. Then only that rate you will get.
How people do it for long years because the government cannot reduce the rate. People have put 8.5 up to last January 30th, but some 10 years.
Off your video mode, I think you will get more stable connection.
I
So
think
audio
we
is
can.
not.
We have to hope for before that anytime we can withdraw. Am I audible?
It is not clear.
Talsangal,
Audio is jarring.
ആ വീഡിയോ മോഡ് ഒന്ന് ഓഫ് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ചിലപ്പോൾ ലൈൻ ക്ലിയർ ആവും. ഓൺലി ഓഡിയോ ഇട്ടാൽ മതി.
Okay, that is better.
What about now?
Okay,
Better?
I think better.
So what I suggest is the secretary and treasurer are to be interested to do the needful, when to put, how to put, how much to put. All these you can inquire and finalize and proceed.
Okay, agreed.
Otherwise, soon after the results announce, I expect a reduced rate. The government will reduce the rate. That's what I feel.
But one thing, sir, that
The
before
bank,
that,
ASAP all reduced.
before that we have to get that sponsorship from the Federal Bank.
Federal Bank.
It has to
No.
be cleared. After that only, we can
Ah.
go to this treasury depositing.
Anyway, that it's you find out and decide on the mode.
Okay, okay, agreed.
Then we need now to mix up with their sponsorship, whether we get their sponsorship or not. Anyway, we will withdraw only after that. That's another thing. But you decide, you find out.
Spoke
Okay.
to me last night also, the manager. So he said that amount is guaranteed.
Yeah.
Okay, agreed.
Any other thing? Any other thing? Any other matter?
Any other suggestion from any other members? Okay.
Jose uncle parana കേൾക്കണില്ല. I think Jose uncle is trying to tell something, but it is not audible.
യോസങ്ങൾ അത് unmute. Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Now it's okay.
See, what I suggest is let all those who are in the meeting now entrust that charge to either Bayro and me. Otherwise, again, to go for discussion, how to go about. We have already engaged with the
That's
treasury.
why I think, yeah, better.
So you entrust that job to secretary and treasurer.
So I am seeking the opinion of members
That's what.
that whether secretary and treasurer have to be interested for that treasury transactions. Hello.
Yeah, if you are getting good benefit from treasury angle, it's better. No? So treasury means
Yeah.
FBA will be handling it. No? Treasury means government. എങ്ങനെയാണ് uncle അതിന്റെ who is the custodian?
State government.
Government of Kerala. The government of Kerala.
And state government cannot intervene and block our payments also. This is a separate fund.
How much we are getting 1 year means what will be the difference if you are going for the treasury? Is there any huge difference or only any minimal or normal?
1.75 extra.
1.75 means if you're having around 70 lakhs or 80 lakhs,
No, only a portion.
only a portion. Okay.
Portion means at least 2% or 5% or 10%, not more than that. We cannot, there is a lot of risk in that.
Yeah. Okay.
This is public money. We are the trustees.
Bank rates are again going to be reduced.
Yeah, it will be reduced. But I think better than federal bank. Federal bank is also a limited.
Giving only a nominal, that is a 5.1%. That is what at present we are getting. In treasury, it is 7.25.
For 2
So
years.
the,
7.5.
that is for 2 years.
We have to lock in for more than access for 10 years. It's an endowment, no? So we don't want in between. Let the principal be locked in for 10 years.
And
There is
they
no
are
locking. There is no locking. I try to understand. There is no locking. Once you opt for 1 year or 2 years, after 2 years, when the interest is reduced, we will get only a reduced interest. But once we put for 10 years, for the 10 years, they have to give us 7.5.
So we can block this. You can deposit for 10 years minimum.
Yes. And whenever we want, we can withdraw also.
Because we are utilizing only the interest portion, right? We are not utilizing the endowment principal. We cannot touch the principal, right?
Yes.
Uncle, the earliest the better, huh? Because they will change the interest rate. നമ്മൾ പോകുമ്പോൾ അവര് പിന്നെയും കുറക്കും. അപ്പൊ അങ്ങനെ ഒരു മൂവ് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഇറ്റ്സ് ബെറ്റർ.
അതുണ്ട്. പക്ഷെ അപ്പൊ നമ്മള് ഇപ്പൊ വിഡ്രോ ചെയ്ത് ഈ പ്രൊജക്റ്റഡ് അതാണ്.
I think we better entrust the treasurer. We will entrust the treasurer and the secretary to go ahead and proceed with this.
We'll share these details in the main group and we'll ask their permission also. So today I think there is only around 11 people. 11.
There is no
not clear.
Charles, you are not audible.
Charles? Oh. Your voice is not clear.
Can't listen to you, Charles. Charles phone കൂടാൻ നോക്കണം. അതാണ് ഇഷ്യൂ പറഞ്ഞത്. Range problem. It's better you use Wi-Fi or anything in laptop.
Charles left.
Rejoin ചെയ്യാൻ നോക്കണ്ടോ?
നോക്കട്ടെ.
അല്ല ഞങ്ങൾ എൻട്രി ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാലേ then see in between there should not be anyone coming and saying അങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യരുത് ഇങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യരുത്. That's what I meant. If we doing in the best of this one for the society.
Uncle, it's better not to keep everything transparent. Can we get a letter from this treasury that they are giving so and so interest for so and so locking period? So that will be transparent. Otherwise, again, if you're going tomorrow and saying the treasury is not willing us to give like that, that will be a problem for you also. It's better if you get
No, because Aldrin, they have already, the rates have already published in the government gazettes, and I think the secretary or the treasury is having the rates of interest on them because that is what yesterday they went to the treasury and collected it. Hello.
That
We
is
discussed no problem there. We
Yeah.
discussed.
So the day when we are depositing, we will be able to know that because the current rate of interest is 11.5% for more than 2 years. Okay. So when the date of deposit, when we are going to deposit, if the rate is 10.5, we will be getting 7.5.
Yeah, it's better we take a screenshot, or if you can download from the website, we can post it in the main group. So we can share that. See, we have already informed everyone. Because today we are only around 11. I think almost we are around 15 to 17. No? Majority.
But the quorum is there. We are more than the quorum.
So the quorum is there. No issues.
But anyway, since yesterday they have taken the screenshot, you can put it on the group.
See, one thing is how much are we going to put everything in the treasury or a portion of our corpus fund?
Only a portion of the corpus, that is 2 lakh or 5 lakh or 10 lakh, not more than that.
Immediately.
Okay. Because we are only, how many members now? 11 members. There are 20 members are there. It's a financial matter. The quorum, everything is in the general matter only. Quorum is required. In the financial matter, it is not, the minimum quorum is not sufficient. It is public money. We are only trustees. So all on a sudden, we cannot do anything.
Yeah, we have to be very careful while handling this one.
You have to be very careful.
Yeah.
I have gone there, inquired almost all the banks, and I have taken the application forms to open FD and SB from the treasury. Everything is taken and kept.
Only permission.
Permission is required.
7 point this thing is a very good offer.
It's a very good one. That is why we are planning.
Okay, to other banks it is very good because the banks are giving him only up to 6 point something for even
No,
for
5.5. 5.5%.
5.5 and for senior citizen 6 point something, and only Yes Bank is giving 7.5% for senior citizen.
Yes.
But that is not a nationalized bank.
Yes Bank we can.
Trust, it is not a nationalized bank.
Yeah.
According to me, at least we have around 70 lakh plus as corpus. Out of that, around 50 lakh, if you put of multiples of 10, at least 1 lakh definitely we are going to get additional.
More.
Additional interest.
And it is secured. It won't change.
If we go for a long period, I think it is better because afterwards the big interest is going to reduce day by day. Government policies.
Yes.
Right.
Not only that, what we are planning is, see, every third month or every 6th month, whatever interest is accumulated, we will also convert that into an FD so that we get interest even on that. That's the plan. I mean, provided you all agree. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, that can be done. It is good for this fund only, no?
That's the plan, but provided everybody agrees to it.
For the past 1 year, we are discussing on it. By the time 1% reduced. January 30th, 1% reduced.
That's
8.5.
This is a big amount that is going to be diverted. Everybody's what is that? Concurrence is very much necessary. As Secretary said, we are only the
Yes, I am also in the same opinion.
And I think I suggest you better proceed with that.
Okay.
And with the concurrence of the meeting.
Through WhatsApp, you get consent from all the members.
This is the majority opinion of the members. Nobody has objected it. And somewhere we have to take a decision. Unless we are not taking a decision, this also will prolong and prolong. By the time we lost, the interest may again be reduced.
Yes, correct. By the time that we will be losing.
Yeah, we'll be losing the money also.
those who are here now in the meeting, give us a go ahead so that we
Yes.
can.
From my end, okay,
Is
big
there,
yes.
is there any
Yes,
other?
yes.
is there
What
any
about
other objection?
Charles Fernandez? What are your opinion? Yes. Okay. Sebastian D'Souza. Yes. No. You unmute. What about Johnson?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Johnson also agreed.
Is there any objection? Is there, all are agreed to entrust the transaction?
Okay.
Okay. Within a short while, we can change some amount of us.
Sanno is there. Sanno, Joint Secretary.
Sanno.
Verogal.
Okay. Yes.
എന്റെ സജഷൻ വേറെ ഒന്നല്ല കാരണം അത് അതിനൊരു ഒരു പ്ലാൻ പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്യുക കാരണം നമ്മുടെ FTs മൊത്തം എത്ര എണ്ണം ഉണ്ട്, ഏതൊക്കെ FTs ബ്രേക്ക് ചെയ്യും, എത്ര എമൗണ്ട് ഉണ്ട്, അത് അതിനൊരു പ്ലാനിങ് ഡേറ്റ് ഇട്ടിട്ട് പ്രൊസീജിയർ ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുക. അതനുസരിച്ച് ഇന്ന പീരീഡിൽ ഓട്ടോമാറ്റിക്കലി അത് നമ്മൾ 3 months കൂടുമ്പോഴത്തേക്കും കിട്ടുന്ന എമൗണ്ട് ഇൻവെസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യണത് ഒരു പ്ലാൻ ചാർട്ട് റെഡിയാക്കും, കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ വരാതിരിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി. ക്ലാരിറ്റി കിട്ടാൻ വേണ്ടിയാ പറഞ്ഞത്. കാരണം അപ്പൊ പിന്നെ ഓട്ടോമാറ്റിക്കലി വരുന്നല്ല, ആ ടൈമില് ഇന്ന FT ഇതായി നമ്മൾ അതിലേക്ക് മാറ്റി, ആ FT എന്നുള്ള എമൗണ്ട് ഇത്ര കിട്ടി, ആ എമൗണ്ട് തിരിച്ച് റീഇൻവെസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്തു. അതിന് കറക്റ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു ഫ്ലോ ചാർട്ട് കൊടുത്തിട്ട് അതിന് പ്രൊസീജിയർ പ്രകാരം ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള റിപ്പോർട്ട്സ് ഇട്ട് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഓട്ടോമാറ്റിക്കലി ഈ കൺഫ്യൂഷൻസ് മാറും, കറക്റ്റ് പ്രൊസീജിയർ നടക്കുന്നുള്ളത്.
Baro, can you hear?
Yes.
So,
yes, that is a good suggestion.
As Sanno said, you see to it, and as per the
ബാങ്ക് ഫെഡറൽ ബാങ്കിൽ ഇപ്പൊ നമ്മൾ എടുത്താലും നമുക്ക് FT ഓരോന്നോരോ റിലീസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. അപ്പൊ ഓരോ എമൗണ്ട് അനുസരിച്ച് പ്രൊപ്പോർഷനേറ്റ് അറിയാലോ, ഓരോ എമൗണ്ട് എത്രയാണ്. അപ്പൊ അതനുസരിച്ച് മേജർ സ്റ്റേക്കുള്ള എമൗണ്ട്സും മുഴുവൻ ഫേസ് ബൈ ഫേസ് ആയിട്ട് മാറ്റുക, അതിന്റെ മെച്ചൂരിറ്റി നോക്കുക, അതനുസരിച്ച് റീഇൻവെസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. ആ റീഇൻവെസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നതനുസരിച്ച് ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് വരുന്നത് കറക്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് തിരിച്ച് ലൂപ്പിലിടുക. നമുക്ക് അടുത്ത ഫിനാൻഷ്യൽ ഇയർ നമ്മുടെ ഡിസ്ട്രിബ്യൂഷൻ സമയത്ത് നമ്മളിപ്പോ 4 lakhs എടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ 4.5 lakhs to 5 lakhs വരെ നമുക്ക് അതിൽ നിന്ന് എടുത്ത് മാറ്റാവുന്ന ഇതിൽ ആലോചിക്കണം. പിന്നെ അതിൽ ഇനിയുള്ളത് നമുക്ക് 3 ഇൻവെസ്റ്റ്മെന്റ് ഉള്ളത്. ഒന്ന് 3 അക്കൗണ്ട് ഉള്ളത്. ഒന്ന് മാരേജ് അക്കൗണ്ട് ഉണ്ട്, ഒന്ന് മെഡിക്കൽ അക്കൗണ്ട് ഉണ്ട്. അതില് ഈ നമ്മുടെ ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ സ്റ്റേക്ക് നിൽക്കുന്ന അക്കൗണ്ട് നിൽക്കുന്നത് ഇതാണല്ലോ, നമ്മുടെ സ്കോളർഷിപ്പ് അക്കൗണ്ട് മാത്രം സെപ്പറേറ്റ് ആക്കിയിട്ട് റീഇൻവെസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്താൽ മതി. മറ്റേത് മാറ്റി വെക്കായിരിക്കും നല്ലതെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു.
So accordingly, the secretary and treasurer will proceed. Okay.
Sure, agreed. Yes.
Okay.
Dalvin uncle ഒന്നും പറഞ്ഞില്ല. He's left or not? Dalvin Dikunyan.
Marshall is there. Marshall. Hello, Marshall.
Yeah, for me it's okay. As Sanno said, you can go.
Okay. Thank you. So next topic.
So, what is time now?
Now it is going to 8:30.
Going to be 8:30. Yeah. Members have to say anything? Any further discussion? Any further matter to be discussed?
If nothing is there, we can wind up.
If
Joint Secretary will say the vote of thanks and will wind up.
okay, if there is no further discussion, no matter to be discussed, I would invite Sanno, Joint Secretary, to propose the vote of thanks. Sanno, did you hear? Sanno, did you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. Good evening, everybody. Respected President Charles Dias, Secretary Baro Dikoto, and Treasurer Jose Almeida, and all the executive members, committee members. Due to this
unforeseen COVID issue, we had to do the Zoom meeting. Today's meeting, I think that the points with what we have discussed is more relevant and more important to the running of our charitable society. And with this in mind, maybe due to this prevailing COVID restrictions, these meetings should be continued for a bit long time, and the scholarship program also to be in the as per the government restrictions. Let us hope this COVID issue will come down and the normal meetings will come back. And regarding the funds, the treasury deposit, the clarity should be maintained in such a way that everything should be communicated in a perfectly clear way. And summing up with all these things, let me first thank all the members, executive members, who has joined this meeting and for their participation and commitment. I think that Bairo uncle, one suggestion is that today's meeting minutes to be put up. I think Leslie uncle and Savio both were trying to enter the meeting, but due to net problem, they couldn't do it. So a clarification in this regard with meeting minutes to be put in the group, and let's have a discussion on that and their opinion also. Okay, let me thank all the executive members for joining this meeting. Thank you very much.
Thank you all the members. I have today recorded all the proceedings that will be reproduced in the next within a short while.
Before we
Thank you all.
conclude, Bairo,
Yes.
before we conclude, I have to seek your opinion that 15th May is our scholarship distribution.
May 15th. Okay.
And before that, we have to, after making all the arrangements,
Okay.
I suggest that it is better that a Zoom meeting is arranged.
Once again, before 15th.
Before 15th,
Okay.
after making all the arrangements,
Okay. 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 That's good.
so the office bearers can decide,
Yes. Yes. Sir.
and we'll inform others for a Zoom meeting.
Okay. Sure.
Okay.
Okay.
So thank you. Good night to all.
Yes. Good night to you all.